Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 37 of the 100 days challenge to build yourself as a brand. And today, so I'll start with what happened. So yesterday, I don't know how, but I slept late. I was scrolling through my phone, and even like I had wake up late yesterday, like morning, so I didn't feel sleepy till 9 o'clock. But it crossed. I was feeling sleepy after 9, but I was still watching my phone, and then 9:30 around I went to sleep, and then I could not wake up at 4 o'clock again. It means like I could have woken up by forcing myself, but I don't know why I did not do that. I was in sleep, so I slept and then woke up. Like between many times I woke up, I still went to sleep again. It was like already I am late, then why? So I went to sleep, which was a bad decision. Anyways, after waking, I think I woke up at 9 o'clock. Then I went and drank water, and I brushed and had my breakfast. Then I did a little bit of cleaning to just refresh my mind, because I was kind of in that dilemma that I woke up late and now I cannot do anything. So I have this very bad thing where when I wake up a lot late than what I expect, I think that this day is like gone and I can't do anything now. So it automatically makes me to rest, use phone or do such things and not do anything productive. But this time I did not allow myself to do that. Yesterday also had woke up late, I still did things. Today also happened the same thing, so I didn't want it to waste it. That's why I kind of to put myself in a moment. I cleaned my surrounding, just did my bed sheet, clothes and all that things, and after that I went and decided to get ready and shoot a reel, because I had to post a video today. So today's reel was kind of a special one, because I was choreographing this YouTube videos, okay, like dances for YouTube videos. Then what I thought, once I kind of like had this idea suddenly one day. I was getting these trends and making those trending dances videos and posting them on my Instagram. But then I felt like, why will people follow me for something which already everyone is doing? It is the same dance that already everyone is doing, and that is what I am also copying and doing the same thing. Then there is nothing like different or anything interesting for what people will like to see or like to follow my account, right? So this kind of a thought came in my mind, and then I decided, now from now on I'm going to create even reels and choreograph them myself. Like I'm going to select a song, choreograph it by myself and post it. So like that, there will be something different for my audience to watch. It will be something which they did not find it anywhere else, kind of thing, okay? And also I will like create some dances or the reels which already other creators have created and which will be like trending, and if I like that, I'll even make those videos. So this is the plan. So that's why today was the first reel, like I choreographed myself and posted it, okay? So I posted it like just before, like around I think 10 minutes before. I don't know how the response will be on that. There is like not much expectations whether this video will get views or no. I usually get like maximum 1000 to 2000 views, and few have gone like around 4 to 5,000. Like few means I can literally count on my fingers, like I think it was 3 or 4 videos. But okay, I didn't give up like that, so let's see how it does. Then I'm gonna create one more reel, and miss I have to make a schedule also, because choreographing also kind of takes a time, even if it is like 10 seconds or 15 seconds ka reel. Also you have to put your mind into that, which steps are gonna suit, also make sure that your steps are not repeating and all that things. So it does takes time. That's why I'll like make a schedule that if I'm posting like 4 days a reel in a week, then 2 days for the one that I created and 2 days for the one which other creators have created. Let's see how it goes. So that is my plan. So that is what I shooted a reel for today. Actually I wanted to shoot it yesterday, but of course the procrastination. But anyways, I didn't wanted to give up today on this idea also and just copy others, because if I procrastinate, no, this is gonna just go on. That's why no means no. Okay, after doing that, it was lunchtime, because I already got up late, and until I do this it became like 2 o'clock of the afternoon. So I got changed, and then I went to have my lunch, which actually was not ready. So then I helped my mom, because even she was kind of busy today, family problems. So I went and helped her. Then we prepared our lunch side by side. We were watching the television. Then I did that, and if I remember, I don't know if you all remember this. If you all are 90s kids, then you all will remember this serial that used to come on television. It was called Shararat, and it was one of the best and my favorite till now. That favorite serial in my entire world. I thought of just like putting on that. I had watched it. I used to never miss an episode of it when it used to come on television. I was a kid that time, and I used to love that serial a lot. Shararat, okay, and I used to watch it every time, even on the repeat mode. I used to watch that. Then it got stopped on the television, but after that it came on Hotstar, and I watched on Hotstar from starting to end. Okay, and after doing that, now again I started watching. So they are like my comfort serials. So if you have any comfort serials like this, not like only serials, but cartoons or movies or anything which are your comfort, let me know in the comment section. I'm really curious, and we'll get to know whether we know that or we have to watch it. I will surely watch. Just tell me some interesting facts about your favorite thing, and in the comment section, and even I will go and watch those, and let us share our moments like that. And yeah, so I watched the serial. I watched around like 2 episodes until I had my lunch. After that I closed off, and then I came to for the editing purpose. So I had to upload this reel, right? Then so I came for that. But then I got a call from one of my family members, so I spoke to them, and then they wanted to speak to my mom. So I had to give my phone to her, so I could not edit the video now. So I waited, but I didn't waste that time. Instead what I did, I edited my another YouTube video, and that I kept for exporting. So until it was exporting, I did japa. Okay, it is a religious practice. So I did that until she kept the call. So once after she kept the call, I took the phone, and then I set for editing. Then I edited the reel, uploaded it. When I was uploading that reel, my phone battery completely died and it got switched off. I was like, oh my god, it was my mistake that I did not charge my phone, but what could I do? I wanted to even edit, right? And I had to post it also, so it didn't happen. But anyways, I put on the charger, and then I started to like upload it again. But it got switch off again because the battery went to complete 0%, right? So it could not take direct functioning. So it got switch off again. Then I kept it for a minute to get charged at least to 1%, and then again I started for the upload purpose. Then I did that, everything I edited and all that, and then finally I uploaded the reel. Now I don't know. Okay, we will see. I'm gonna give that update for you tomorrow, okay, if it gets kind of good views now. What can I do? Let me know, okay? What can I do? I don't know. I will just like enjoy and kind of like share that thing with my parents and all, but we'll see whether it gets or no. Okay, after doing that, it was getting already evening, and today I wanted to sleep early so that I can wake up early tomorrow at 4 o'clock, because yesterday I did workout and dance, but today I didn't do anything, not even dance, not even workout. So yes, anyways, so okay, I think I say anyways a lot, sorry for that. I also didn't realize it until I was speaking on this, and I'm like trying to get comfortable, like I'm getting a lot of this filler words inside in my speaking, but I'll be like thinking and speaking but not even thinking. I don't know what it is. Okay, so after doing that, I was set for editing and recording this video, and then in between I went and had my dinner. Okay, so I had my dinner, and then I came and set for editing this video. After that, I did my skincare, I prayed, and then I went to sleep. So I think I'll sleep by 8:30. I woke up at 9 o'clock today, but so I don't think I'm gonna get sleepy until 9 probably, but I'll try not to use my phone at least, because if I use my phone then I won't get sleep only, and then again it will get late, and then again I'll wake up late, and today is already like a Thursday. This weekend is gonna come, so I don't want to waste this time now. Okay, anyways, oh sorry. Okay, so I'll try my best to sleep at least at 9, because I'm not sure about 8:30 I'll get the sleep or no, but I'll sleep at 8:30, like I'll be on the bed by 8:30 and fall asleep. That is depend on my brain or my eyes. Okay, so yeah, and that is how my day ended, and it was kind of fine for me. I didn't at least waste time, so I'm proud of it. Let's see how tomorrow's day goes. Okay, then I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.